website come up like this, or under mission it will come social responsibility. So like that we can have search. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Yeah. So how are you feeling now? Hello, are you able to hear me? Hello. 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 Yeah, hello.
Hello.
Yeah. Okay. Fine. So how are you feeling now?
A little better. Like I'm on medication now.
Okay. Uh-huh. Okay. So, right. So last time we had learned about WordPress, how to create a WordPress website and how to add content into it. So today what we will be doing is, today we will try to add some content into it and see how to optimize the content. So we will start with adding content to it. So like I have given you the logins, the same way I am logging to my WordPress website, and now I'll be entering to my dashboard. Okay, so I have logged in, and now say like we had learned that we can create post and everything. So over here I'll just click on all post, and yes, there are various posts over here. So these are all the posts that are added in my website. So approximately something 73 posts are there. So now we require the content, so I'll just take a content from one of the website. Okay, so I'll just open one or two articles. Okay, so this is the article. Okay, so fine. I mean, okay, so it is okay. Okay, it seems that this is a paid article. Fine, take another one. Okay, this is a very long article. Okay, so we'll just try to check some more. Okay, fine, so we'll take this content. So first I'll take this and I'll put it in a notepad. So this would be title and then the content over here. Okay, so now we have the content, we just remove the unwanted text. Okay, so now we have the text. Usually we should not copy anybody's text, but say this is I don't have any content ready, so I'm using this content just for learning purpose. So now we have this text. Usually when we create our content, say what should be the ideal method. So say suppose I want to write a blog on any topic. So in that case, what do we do? First of all, we will select that okay, we want to write a blog on this particular topic. So we will select whatever are the important keywords, whatever we think that okay, these are the important points that we will use, and then we will start to write the content, and we will use all the important keywords. Now what are keywords? Say keywords are the words that people will search in Google search engine. So say suppose if I go to Google over here and I want to search something, so I might search for digital marketing, or I might search for blogs. So over here this blog is a keyword. So now I press enter and all the results will come up. So now we should think that what are the keywords that people will search for, and our blog should come up over here. So that is the main important keyword. So if we are writing a topic on over here, what right now we have is some topic on hidden text. Said everything you need to know about hidden text and SEO. So over here SEO is also there and hidden text is also there. So our main content is related to hidden text and SEO. So I should have this as my primary keyword, or say this as my keyword. So this can be various keywords that I can use. Now like this we prepare the content, and now this is say like we had learned that how many times we should use the content in our blogs, how much times we need to use our primary text or primary keyword in our content. So that is 3% of the time, 3% of our keywords should be used in the content. So for example, I'll make things simpler for you to understand. Over here at the bottom I'll just explain. Say suppose my blog article is of say 500 words. So what Google says that your primary keyword, that is the main keyword, that is called as focus keyword. So that should be there, and it should be used for 3% of the total content. So 3% of total 500 word is 15. So 15 times I should use my keywords. This is what Google says, because say if I use one keyword multiple times, then Google bots who come to take the content from my website, they will get to know that okay, this word is used for so many times and we have defined this as our focus keyword. So Google will get to know that okay fine, this particular topic is on this particular keyword is related to this particular topic, and the this content is on hidden text. So suppose hidden text, if I'm using hidden text as my primary keyword, so for every say length of the content, we should use 3% of our words as our primary keywords. So now how many types of keywords do we have? First one is the primary keyword, then we have secondary keyword, then we have say phrases, then long tail phrases. So like say in if I just say keyword, then it can be say marketing can be a keyword. Then say if I say secondary keyword, so that could be anything which is related to marketing. Then phrases could be like say digital marketing in Mumbai. So this is a phrase. And long tail phrases, say I can write that best digital marketing in Mumbai. So this is a long tail keyword. So I mean people will search like this only. So this is usually the best option which we should use, and we should optimize our content with long tail keyword. Because if I type marketing, then it is not very clear that what marketing are we talking about, whether we are into marketing or say we are selling somebody's products, or say we are talking about promoting anything. So I mean it is not very much clear. But if I say that digital marketing in Mumbai, or say we type digital marketing courses in Mumbai, or over here best digital marketing courses in Mumbai, then people will exactly understand that what we are talking about. So it is very easy for us to search for long tail phrases, and it will come up very early in say search engine optimization. So it will not take much time, because say whenever we search in say Google, we will search for exact things. Say suppose you are searching for digital marketing course, then you will not just search for digital marketing course. You might search for digital marketing courses in Mumbai, or maybe whatever location we are at. So say suppose I am based in Kharghar, so I would search that best digital marketing courses in Kharghar. So this is how we search and we get the right results. Say like over here on Google, if I search for say the keyword over here, say like best digital marketing courses in Kharghar. Now you see the results. So here you are getting exact results, and you can see my website is coming to the top over here. You can see it over here on the map also, and over here you can see various other courses are there, various other institutes or directories are there which are listing all the other results. So this is how we should decide that okay fine, if people are in Mumbai or people are in a particular location, then we should use these courses, these keywords, because these are the keywords that people will search. So whenever we are designing our this phrase our content, at that point of time we should think that what people will search if our topic is on this particular keyword. So I mean say we should be very clear. We should put in people's place, and we should think that if I want to search for this hidden text content, what are the important keywords that I would be searching on Google. So this is the procedure of content writing when we talk about creating blogs and articles on our websites, or even pages that we add on our website. So this is what is the standard procedure we have to use. Now say when we are going to learn say SEO in detail, at that time I will tell you that what are the things that we need to consider. See, on page SEO we have already learned that there are various things that we need to take care of, that we need to use our keywords in say title, we need to use it in description, then we should use it in URLs, then we should use it in images, then we should use it in the content, and yeah, I mean like this we need to use our keywords everywhere. In the title it should appear, in the description it should appear, in the URL it should appear, in the images it should appear, and in the content it should appear. So just to refresh what we had learned, I will just show you that slide over here. Yeah. So in search engine optimization we had seen that slide of on page SEO. So no, not this one. uh, okay. mm, oh yes. Oops. Yeah, yeah, we had seen this one, right? Yeah, over here we had seen this. So over here on this on page optimization, so on page optimization is something what we are doing right now. We are working on the website, on the page. So that is we are working. So this is title tags, we had seen this, description, URLs, then site navigation we had seen, then sitemap is okay. Images we have to use, then on headings we have to use. So yes, we need to write that over here also. So we need to use our keywords in headings also. Then we have to use our content in navigation, that is site navigation, and other things is keyword usage. So this keyword usage, what I was talking is that 3%, how many times should I use the keyword. So keyword usage is very important, because if I use more number of if I use my keyword main keyword for more number of times than whatever is specified, then Google will say that you have over optimized your content, so please reduce some of the keyword. And if it is less, then it will tell us that your content is under optimized, you should use this keyword more often in your content. So that is the keyword usage, that is 3% should be our keywords. So that is what we use. And then mobile SEO, so okay, so that is fine. So this is what we had seen. So title tags, description, URL, site navigation, then images and headings, these are the places where we need to use our primary keywords. So that is what we have, so and that is what we are going to use now. So today we will be practically implementing all these things by writing a blog over here that we have prepared over here. So this is what we are going to do. So now to start with, say like initially what we should do is say exactly we cannot copy the content as it is from one website to another, because in search engine optimization we know that the whenever Google bot will come to collect the content, the first thing what it will do is it will check the content with the Google database, that whether this content is available in their database or not. So if they find that this content is already available on these website, then they will get to know that okay fine, this content is copied, and Google does not want duplicate content on their database. So for that reason they will leave our website and go away. So for that reason we need to say either modify this content, or we can prepare our own content, but this is just for the training purpose, so I'm using this. The other option we have is we have oh, were you disconnected again? Hello? Hello, Ayushi, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Okay, you are disconnected again?
Yeah, I just got connected. Like,
Okay. Mm-hmm. Fine, no problem. So,
I just got disconnected for 30 seconds or something. Then I got connected again.
okay, 30 seconds. Okay, fine, no problem. So, yes, I was just in that time, I was just talking about that. Today, what we are going to do is we are going to implement the actual SEO of all these things that we have learned, that using keywords in all these places. So, this is the content that we have. And I was talking about the content wherein say like we cannot copy everybody's content and we can put it in our website. So that is not possible, because when Google bots will come to our website and it will check our content, that okay fine, this content is copied from this website, and Google does not want duplicate content, so they will leave our website. They want only unique content which is not available anywhere else on the internet. So for that reason, say we need to have our own content. But since I do not have my content prepared for this week, so I am using this content. But still we do have certain tools which we can use for modifying this article. I mean by reading this article and modifying the content in my own words might take a lot of time. So for that reason what we have is we have we you can search on Google like say article rewriter. See over here we have article rewriter, or we can use article generator. This is also possible. So I'll just search for article rewriter tool. So over here I'll open this, and now over here I can paste my content. So I'll just take my content from here. Okay, so this is copied, and yes, excluding the title I will take the content, and then I will paste my content over here, and then the security check, and then I will click on the button rewrite text. So then it will process the content, and and my content will come up over here. So this is the rewritten content. So now if I want to check that whether this content is copied or not, whether this content is unique or not, then in that case I again have another tool. So one second, I'll just paste this text. Okay, so this is the new text. Okay, so now it has changed completely. So if I just want to verify that
In
whether this
rewriting the
is
content, they rearrange the content.
yeah, it will change some of the keywords. See over here, I'll just show you. See over here, yeah, see over here what it is doing is say it is over here it is mentioned that hidden text with a goal of manipulating Google's algorithm can get you penalized, but here are few valid Google approved reasons to hide content. And over here what it is written, shrouded text with objective controlling Google's calculation can get you punished. In any case, here the couple of substantial and Google endorsed motivation should shrewd content to shrewd content. So here this is like this. Now over here, like say this is the text which is say rewritten. So like this, there are various things that is changed. So it will change the content everywhere. See over here, today there are Google approved ways to hide content, and over here it says today there are Google affirmed approaches to conceal content. So I mean it will change the whole sentence. So if I want to check that whether the content which the new content that I've got, whether it is say unique or not, so for that I will just open a small website like small SEO tools. So small SEO tools is a website where we have various tools which we can use. So here I can check the plagiarism checker tool, which will help me to get me that okay whether this content is original or not. So I'll just copy this content and say I will paste it over here. Okay, so over here it's 1737 words, and yes, I will just click on check plagiarism, and word limit is only 1000 words. Okay, fine, so no problem. So I need to remove some content. Mm, so I'll remove the content from the bottom, or else even say few paragraphs to check is also okay. So I mean, okay, so now it is 1300. Okay, so still need to remove 1200, 1100. Okay, 897. So I mean it's fine. So just to get to know that whether my content is original or not, so I'm checking this now, and I should get results. So it is checking. Okay, completed 100% check, and now you can see over here 100% unique. So this is the content which is not available anywhere on the internet. This is the first content. So when Googlebot will come, it will take this content and it will store it in their database, and it is 0% copied. We did not copy this content from anywhere. So over here like this we can use this content. So over here you can see everything is unique. Each and every line that we have used is unique. Otherwise there would be a red colored plagiarism mentioned. So here everything is unique. So like this we can check whether the content is original or it is copied from anywhere or taken from anywhere. So this tool we can use. So I'll just give you the list of the URL so that you can use it in future. So yes, Okay, so this is what we have, and yeah. Oops. Okay, fine. So like this, we already have the content, and we have this now. But say our primary text which I wanted to use is the hidden text. So over here it has changed the hidden text to shrouded text, something like that. So now I need to rewrite this article again, and telling them to ignore words containing hidden text. So I don't want this hidden text to be changed, because this is my primary keyword. So ignore the keyword over here, ignore the text, and say then I will say okay, I'm not a robot, and rewrite text.
But then in this way, anybody can copy others' content and rewrite it, no? Like
Right, that is
without
correct.
they have,
Yes.
they have not written by themselves and
uh,
then they just copied and
right.
rewritten.
Right, that is correct. So I mean, this tool is provided for them, the people who are not able to write the content, so they can use this tool. So of course, I mean, actually this is not the right method, but I mean, since the tools are provided, we are using it. So this is just right. Today I do not have the content, so that is the reason, say, we are using this. But since the tool is available and it is a part of digital marketing, so definitely I need to tell you that this kind of tools are available.
Yes,
Article
yes, I
rewriter,
understand.
then
No, because
yeah,
anybody,
and
if they join a company for content writer, like if anybody knows is aware about this tool, then they can just copy paste
yeah,
others' content and
yeah,
rewrite
right.
it, and
But yes, but when you rewrite the content, it is not really very easy for a person to understand everything, because say over here, if you read the original text and if you read this content over here, it is a little say confusing, and over here it is getting say it says that you are punished. So punish means that whether a person is going to get punished or what. Actually, it is not the person who is going to get punished, but it is say penalized. So the content will be penalized and it will not be taken into Google's account. So over here it is Google's calculation, so people will not understand what is the meaning of Google's calculation. So over here we actually the name over here calculation is Google algorithm.
okay.
So people are very well aware of this terminology called as Google algorithm, and over here instead of punish it should be penalized. Otherwise people will think that they will be punished and put behind the bars. So then that is very difficult. I mean, it is very confusing. So for that reason we have to read this whole text again, and remove the words, and put back the original words, because say otherwise this might not people will not understand, and they might leave the page. But if you just want content just for having the sake of having the content, then yes, people can use it, and that is what people are doing, because they just require content. Say what people are doing is that they want content for their website just for making money. See, like people use advertisements on their websites. They put various ads, like Google ads are there. Say on my website also you can see Google ads, say on any of the pages. Say like I'll just open this view. Okay, so this is, I'm viewing this content, and say you can see Google advertisements. See on the over here it will appear. See over here, this is ads by Google. So like if people are just interested to make money and not providing say good content to the people, their main motto is just getting people to see the ads, they will use these tools. For whom this is not important, but I mean, if you want to provide value to your users, and they want users to keep coming back again and again to on their website, then for them they will definitely write their new content, because they also need people to subscribe on their website also. and people want to know that okay, users will always want that this website is providing good content, so they will keep coming back, they will subscribe to their newsletters, and they would be a loyal subscribers base for a longer period of time. But I mean, if you copy the content, you rewrite the content, it will not people will not understand anything. So I mean, that's very difficult. So for that reason, we usually don't use this rewritable content, because say it is actually speaking, it's really very confusing by reading all the content over here. If you read everything, concealing text, what is concealing text? I mean, there is nothing called as concealing text, it is hidden text. So that is what say we need to rewrite everything. So I mean, half of the time we'll go over here, then it is better to say modify the original content in our own words. Say like goal of manipulating Google's algorithm, or say goal of changing Google's algorithm. So here again the sentence, if a sentence is having one word as changed, then it will be a unique one, because it is not matching with this. So it will say that okay fine, this much content is matching, the whole text is not matching. So I mean, it's okay. And say Google allows say that your content should be approximately say 70% unique, 30% can be copied, or if it matches then it is allowed, because say 100% unique content is not possible. So for that reason, so 70% of your content should be unique, 30% if it is matching with other content, then it is okay. That is what is Google says that. So for that reason, but as far as possible, we should try to make sure that our content is 100% original. So I mean, this is very confusing, and sometimes some of the words might be a problem for us also. So for that reason, we should not use this unless and until you verify and you have time to verify the whole content. So I will not use this right now, I will just use the original content, and later on I will delete this. So I mean, that's fine. And so this is what we have. So everything you should know about hidden text. So to change the content, what I can just do is I can just put this hidden text, or say I'll just use it right away, and then we will make the changes. So right now everything over here, this is my content, and I'll post it. So what I will do is I will go and add a new content, new post, and then I'll paste the title, and then I will paste the body of the content. So it is starting from here till at the end of the article. Okay, so this is what I have, and now I'm going to paste it. So now this is done, and like I had said that we use certain plugins, so which will help us to say let us know that whether our content is say what are the problems lying in our SEO. It will help us to say take all the steps for our content to make our content 100% SEO friendly. So over here I have taken this as my primary keyword, and we had installed a plugin called as Yoast SEO. So over here I have this Yoast SEO plugin. So this Yoast SEO plugin will help me to add the content. So what happened to this Yoast SEO? Okay, it is not coming up. So there is some problem with the content, I believe. One second, I'll just save this draft. I should not publish it unless and until the content is say 100% SEO. Otherwise say as soon as I click on publish, the algorithm will take place, and my content will be placed wherever it lies as per the current SEO. So I believe right now we do not have say we have not done SEO on this, so it will not be placed anywhere, and we will not be able to find our content anywhere. But however, this takes time, so it might take 10 days, 15 days, 1 month, 2 months, 6 months, 1 year. So it takes time depending on what keyword research we have already done on this. So now just let me go to the tools plugins and see install plugins and check whether my content is okay or not, whether the plugin is installed or not. mm, okay, Yoast SEO premium. Okay, problem zero, notifications, credits. Okay, everything seems fine. Okay, fine, it seems fine. So again, let me go to my post and see. It is not coming. Okay, I'll uninstall the plugin and reinstall it. Or else just let me check again with a new post. Okay, there is some problem with this. Sometimes we face such issues that some of the plugins might not work. In that case, what we should do is we should uninstall that plugin and reinstall it again. So Yoast SEO premium was successfully uninstalled, and now I need to install it again. So I have paid plugin over here. So just let me check again in the training and WordPress themes and plugins. Okay, so over here plugin Yoast SEO premium. Okay, so add new plugin, and if we are downloading it from other website, say we can say install it, we can upload a zip file to this over here. So we should click on add new and upload plugin, and say like
Actually, I
if there
didn't
are various
understand. Can
websites,
you
so over here
can you show it again? Actually, I didn't understand the plugin thing. Like, what is it?
plugins.
Yeah.
See, plugin is application, small applications. Say like we install certain softwares in our system, right? Say like we can install Microsoft Office so that we can write, say we can create Word documents, PowerPoint, and all those things. But if there is no Microsoft Office in our system, then we cannot write Word document, we cannot prepare PowerPoint presentations. The same way, say on our website, if we want small functionalities then we install these plugins. Say like suppose on my website, if I just show you over here, visit website, and I want to have a newsletter plugin. Say I want to collect email addresses of people over here, so this is the plugin which I've installed. So I do not need to sit and code that, okay fine, this is the name I want the email address, and then when people will click on subscribe, then it will store the name and email address in this database, in this table, in this column, all these things. I will just say search for a new plugin over here called as say newsletter, and there would be various plugins which will be there. See over here, I have used this plugin, so I can just click on install now and activate, and automatically that newsletter plugin over here it is coming, and then I can use this automatically and place it wherever I want
And how
on the
to
website.
get
So
those
definitely we will
files, like which plugin files which you have to get those files?
that you can search it. Say like if you're searching, say usually you will find each and everything over here itself. I mean that is on the third party websites. If you are looking for some paid plugin or something, some other plugins which you think that over here these plugins are not available, so in that case we can search on third party website. That is directly you search on Google. Say like you can search for best SEO plugins for WordPress. See, and you will get various websites over here. 10 best WordPress plugins to turn your site into an SEO. So over here we have this website, and this website is showing some 10 plugins. So over here first one is, say this is what we are using, Yoast SEO. So that is what we are going to install over here. So here you can see this Yoast SEO. So I'll just click on install, and say over here it says that improve your WordPress SEO, write better content, and have fully optimized WordPress site. So now it is installing WordPress, and now it is installed, and now I will click on activate. So now after activating it, say it will be appearing in the new post whenever I add a new post. Say, so that is how it will be used. And say over here the first one is Yoast SEO, then second one over here, Google XML sitemap. So what we can do is I'll just copy this name, and first of all we should know that what is the function of this Google XML sitemap. So last time I had shown you that we can generate sitemaps from that website we had added our website URL, and the sitemap was generated. So over here it is Google sitemap. So over here we will find our own we will have our own this plugin, so that we don't need to go to any other website. So I'll just click on add new, and over here I will search for Google XML sitemaps. So if that plugin is available over here, then yes, see it is available over here. So then I can just click on install and activate. So this plugin will improve SEO by helping search engines better index your sites using sitemaps. Okay, so now I will activate it. So this is by this one, and this is by, okay, so like this we installed the plugins. Then another plugin over here. So like this we keep on adding the new plugins. So here broken link checker. So if there are any broken links on the website, then it will tell us that, okay, these are the broken links on the website. So these are the useful say plugins that we can use. See, broken links checker over here, broken links checker by this one, WordPress development community, and there are various other developers also. So I mean we can just check that whichever is having more number of installations and good reviews, that we should use. So here we can see there are 7 lakh plus active installations. So others are not having that much good installation. So definitely this one is good option. So I can just click on this install, and I can activate it. So these are plugins which will help us to do different functions on the website. So now say suppose any link on my website is not working, or it is broken in the sense that previously I might have had one page on my website. Now that page is no longer required, so I might delete that page, but that link is already available in Google's database. So I mean that is called as broken link. If someone will click on any navigation menu, and they might land up on that link, then say it will say that page not found. so that should not happen. So for checking all the broken links, we have installed this plugin. So like that, there are all the different functionalities over here. Different plugins will do different functions for us. It will help us for various things. So here say that this one was Google Analytics by Mooner, a Monster Insights. So this will provide us all the analytical information about our websites, about the traffic, from where the traffic is coming, from which country it is coming, what are the gender, age, and everything about the people. So that is all. It will provide this all functionalities. So these are plugins which are small applications which can be installed in WordPress. So WordPress is our website, WordPress is our content management system that we are using over here. So okay, so I need to add new. So these will help me to enhance my website. So that is plugins. Okay, see over here, W3 total cache. Okay, so this is good. 1 million installations. Okay, and activate. So like this we can install various plugins are available on this website. So I mean, that's fine. I mean, we can use this. See over here, this is something related to security, all in one WordPress security and firewall. See, WordPress website is say if people will hack our website, then in that case we should use some security. See, in our system also, see in our laptop or desktop, we use antivirus software. So say over here also we have firewall in the our laptop and desktop also we have firewall. So this will help us to say fence our website, and it will stop all the hackers on our website. So these are the things, say small plugins that we can use on our website, and which will make our life easier. So that is what plugins are. So that's it. I mean, there's nothing much into this. So yes, 7, and then WordPress touch mobile plugin. So is your WordPress mobile friendly? Then okay, lack of mobile friendly websites will have negative impact on search engines. Okay, so this like this there would be so WordPress mobile plugin. So let me just check this one also, so I can install that also. But you should install say only the plugins which are required, or you feel that these plugins are having very good reviews and people are recommending this. So then only we should use it, because some of the plugins might cause conflict on the website, and it might be a problem for us. So for that reason we should always take care. So okay, we are using this now. Okay, it is installed. Now activate, and whatever plugins we have installed till now, it will be listed under all plugins, or say or under all installed plugins. We can see whatever we have installed over here, everything will be listed over here. And the same wherever you require to check everything, say that will be appearing in the menu as well over here. See over here, you can see rich snippet is there, WordPress security which we just installed, and under WordPress security you can just see everything. Say like over here you have user accounts, user login, user registration, database security, then file system security. So like that you have a lot of things. Then firewall, so I can just click on firewall and see if it is active or not. So basic firewall rules and everything. So check this if you want to apply basic firewall protection to your site. So yes, I mean we want the settings on our website. So over here, complete block access to XML RPC. So okay, so that is fine. Check this if you are not using WP XML RPC functionality and you want to completely block external access to XML RPC. I mean, okay, that's fine. If you want to have some more information, you can just click on this, and it will tell you that what this plugin will do. Denial of services, DOS attacks, hacking and internal routers. Okay, then scanning port and internal networks to get from various hosts. Then this setting will add directive in your STXS to disable access to WordPress XML RPC PHP file, which is responsible for this functionality in WordPress. Hackers can exploit various vulnerabilities in the WordPress XML RPC in a number in such a way that denial of DOS attacks, hacking of internal routers, scanning ports. So I mean this is very important, so I mean this should be done. Then disable pingback functionality for XML RPC. So if you use Jetpack or WordPress iOS or other apps which need XML RPC functionality, then check this. This will enable protection against WordPress pingbacks vulnerabilities. Okay, so what does this do? Feature will still allow XML functionality on your site but will disable the pingback methods. This feature also removes xping header if it is present. Okay, so I mean it's fine, so we can use this. And yeah, so this is what we are using. And then click on save basic firewall settings. So attention, you have enabled complete block Excel to XML RPC checkbox, which means that XML RPC functionality will be blocked. By leaving this feature enabled, you will prevent Jetpack, WordPress iOS and other features from working it correctly. Okay, so that is fine, so I'll just uncheck this feature, so it's fine. So save this, so that is okay. Then additional firewall rules, so you can check disable index view. So check this if you want to disable directory and file listings. So by default will allow this. Okay, so that's fine. So disable index views. Then disable trace and track. Check this if you want to disable trace and track. So I mean yeah, it's fine. I mean you can use all these things. So first of all we need to study everything what this is and what does it do, and then we can enable or disable this forbid proxy comment posting. Okay, so I mean that all things is okay. Deny bad query string, so that is okay. Then enable advanced character string filter. This will block bad characters matching from XSS. Okay, so that's fine. And then save additional firewall settings. Then 6G blacklist firewall rules. Okay, so enable 6G firewall. Check this if you want to apply 6G blacklist firewall from the perishablepress.com onto your website. Enable legal C 5G firewall protection. Check this if you want to apply 5G blacklist firewall protection from. Okay, I mean so I mean we need to study all these things, so I mean it's okay. Internet bots. So over here block fake Google bots. Check this if you want to block all fake Google bots. So I mean there are various bots which are known say which are named as Google bots, but they are not actually Google bots. They will come and fetch or say copy all the content from your website, and maybe they might reuse it or use it against us, so we need to be very careful. So yes, I mean we can use save this. So prevent hotlinks. So prevent hotlinks, hotlink image. So people cannot directly copy the image URL, and they cannot check copy our images. So I mean even that is fine. Then 404 detection. So I mean over here. So I mean yeah, like this we can use whatever is provided over here. So these is all these are all plugins that we can use. So here we have seen this dashboard setting user accounts. Okay, so we can go to the dashboard and see what is we have. See over here you can see security strength meter. So here it is this much, so actually it should be over here or somewhere above this. So we are just in the green zone, so it's okay. So total achievable points is 515 and your current score site is 110. So we can use whatever we want. So here security point breakup. So then change admin username, then change display name, then change database prefix, enable basic firewall. So like this over here it will provide us all the stats and what are the things that we should do, what are the things we should not do. Admin username on, so I mean okay, that's fine. Login login lockdown, then file permissions, basic firewall is on. So yeah, I mean we can just check. This is the bird's eye view of this particular panel. So here we can see whatever we want. So basic security checkpoint. So okay, fine, I can put it over here. I can design my own this. Okay, so over here we can get this information, system info we can check. So like this, we have various plugins which has different functionalities. Over here we have performance. So here under performance also you can see each and everything. I mean everything is say in detail. So if I just go to the dashboard of this particular plugin, then it will provide all the information related to this. So okay, so accept. So you need to accept their policies, and then over here caching statistics, and okay, so it will provide us some information over here. Premium services, there are various other things that will help the website. Install free backup plugin, so I mean that is also there, bold grid. So I mean we can use this so that it can take the backup of our website. So if we want to manually take the backup of the website, even that is possible. So over here WordPress touch, so let us just check WordPress touch also, what this plugin does. So over here this is mobile site title, what should it be, and over here we will see whatever is available. So I mean we can just customize this: site compatibility, devices, then menu settings, the custom theme, newsletter subscribe. So themes are there. Sorry. So these all plugins will help us to enhance our websites, mobile websites, everything. So these are all plugins. So I hope now the plugins are clear. So yes, we had installed Yoast SEO on our website, and now let me go back to all post and check whether it is working or not. So I'll click on edit, and okay, by mistake I pressed quick edit. I want edit. Okay. Yes, it is working. See now over here you can see Yoast SEO and readability, both the things. So previously it was not coming. So now over here I had selected this text as my primary keyword, so hidden text. So I'll just go at the bottom and say I will add over here focus key phrase. So what is my focus key phrase? So hidden text. So hidden text. So now previously it was gray, now it has turned orange, and we have to say make this green. Whatever is say red or green, we have to make it, whatever is red or orange, we have to make it green. So now over here after adding this the keyword, the Yoast SEO plugin will start. So it's like starting the engine of the vehicle, and then we can ride the vehicle. It's the same thing. To activate this for each and every article, you have to add the focus key phrase, after which you will get to know what are the problems on the on this particular article. See, it says that no outbound links appear in this page, so we add some. Then internal links, no internal links appear on this page, make sure to add some. Then meta description length is not provided, so no meta description has been specified. Search engines will display the copy from the page instead. So I mean over here this is what we had learned, that whenever we go to search engines and we search for anything, this is the meta description, and this is the most important part which people will read and enable them, assist them to click on this. So it is not necessary that people will click on the first URL. I mean if this is what they are looking for, then they'll click on this. So that is what it is saying. So we need to use meta description. Then image alt attribute, so that is what we had learned over here. See, images, we can see over here images mentioned. So this images we need to use. So image alt attributes we need to add, and SEO title width. So SEO title width, over here we had seen this title tags. So here this title, so that is SEO title we need to use. So that we are going to use over here. And key phrase in title, so exact match of the focus key phrase appears in the SEO title but not at the beginning. That means that the title which we are using, this is called as SEO title, which we had learned that it will come up over here on the top. So this is SEO title. So it says that the hidden this our focus keyword is present in the SEO title, but it is not at the beginning, so it should be over here instead of everything. So we need to change this. So yes, we will reframe this title also, so that this will come at the beginning. So let's start with uh, all the resolutions one by one. So over here our SEO analysis is hidden text, and now over here it says that outbound links, no outbound links appear in this page, add some. So what does this outbound link mean? Outbound link means that linking to any other website outside our domain. So it should not be within Helpopedia. So if the links are within Helpopedia and linking to any keyword on say within our website to any other blog, then those are called as internal links. So of course that also we need to provide, and outbound links also we need to provide. Now why does Google want us to put internal links and outbound links? Because say internal links is understood that if we have more internal links on our blog or article, then if there are any articles which are related to say social media or say over here direct SEO, so if we have any say blogs on SEO, then we can link those blogs uh, to, with this keyword. So when people will come over here, they can click on this SEO, and they can read the other blogs also if they are interested to in this keyword. So that is the reason, say more number of internal links we have, then it is good that yes, mm, people will say browse more number of pages, and we will have more traffic on our website. So for that reason we need to have internal links. And outbound link is something like say if there is some phrase or some text or some keywords or some anything, a paragraph which people might not understand, or it is a bit difficult, so we can search them on website like Wikipedia, and when we find that link, then we can use that particular link, and we can provide outbound links to the keyword or the sentence or the phrase that we are looking. Say like for example over here it might say that hidden tabbed content. So some people might not know what is hidden tabbed content, so I mean we can search for this on say Google, and if we find any content related to this, then I mean we can link this content to any external website. So that is what we can use. So that is say outbound link. So outbound link is the link which is say not on our website, so it is at any other website which is outside our URL. So yes, that we are going to do. So first of all I need to know that okay, what are the links that I can provide for to any keyword. First of all what I will do is I'll do internal linking, because that is easy thing, because I'll just search for SEO on my website, and say I will find various articles on my website. So I'll just search for SEO, and I will find all the links that are all the articles over here which is containing the word SEO. So over here I have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, yeah, so like this I have various blogs. So out of this I can link any of the blog to this keyword over here SEO, or I can directly copy this link and I will link this, so that people have a choice instead of pushing people to any one article. The best thing is that let people decide what article they would like to read on SEO. So this is called as internal link. So this is SEO, and I'll go to the link, and I will add the link and press enter over here. So now this is keyword is done. So like that I can add something more related. See over here I have Google, so let me see if I have anything related to Google on my website. So now I will search for Google and press enter. So of course there would be various topics on which say Google and iOS apps, Google and Facebook, what they know, content marketing tools you need to know in 2020. So I mean there are various everything, why technical SEO and on-sites are not enough. So again I can use this, or I can provide anything, say like content marketing tools that people might be interested in. So I can copy link and I can provide it to say Google over here. mm, yeah, so here I can use this and I can link this and press enter. So now I have added two links over here. So now just let me go and check whether that issue is resolved or not. See, internal link is gone. Over here you can see, where is it, internal links. over here you have enough internal links, good job. So now previously it was red, now it has turned green. So now this issue is resolved. Now I need to provide outbound link. So no outbound link is provided. Okay, so we will just read some difficult words. So over here we will use that, and then say cluttered, siteless, cluttered. Okay, so fine, let me just search for this siteless cluttered, search the Google. So over here 4 tips to remove cluttered. Okay, so here there would be various things. Okay, so if we find anything related, then we can use that. Okay, so this is a good URL, so I can just copy this. I will just open this, and clean and simple design. So I'll just copy this and I can add it over here. So I'll link this to that other website, Neil Patel website. So people will get to know that what is siteless cluttered. So that means that you need to keep your website neat, as clean and simple. So that is what it is. So I've added one outbound link. So now let me go and check. So you can see outbound links, good job. So we have done this. So I can add even more of outbound links, because say it is not just one thing that we need to use. So I can use other multiple also. So here I can just search for Google News, So here Google News India. So I can use this, copy this, and this one, and over here I can link it to Google Yahoo News. So if people directly wants to go over there and search for the thing which is something related. So here is a screenshot of Yahoo News page. Okay, Yahoo, we have not provided any screenshot. So I mean, see, like this also, when we copy some content, so we need to read it first. Yahoo makes it easy to navigation, more content. So I'll use this. Okay, so that is done. And now let me see outbound links, good job is there, it's already resolved. So now over here, meta description, no meta description has been specified. So yes, now we will provide meta description. So meta description, where do we go? Over here we have Google preview. So this is for the mobile and this is for the desktop. So when our content will come up in search engine, say over here we can see these are the search engine results, but when our content will come up in search engine, it will look like this over here. So for this reason, over here it says that the SEO title is longer, so it is red, so I need to rewrite it. So first of all, what I will do is I will just delete everything, and so now you can see that blue headline is gone. So now once I keep adding, it will come up. See, first of all I need the title of the blog. So this is the title of the blog. Then I can use a separator, and then I can use a primary category. So the category we haven't selected, it is uncategorized. So I mean, over here this is something related to content marketing or say SEO. So just let me check, where is search engine optimization. So over here we have search engine optimization. So now it is done, but now again it is too long, because over here we can see dot dot dot. So dot 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 would be incomplete in search engine, and see over here like this, people will not know what exactly this is. So it is very difficult. So we should make sure that it does not happen. So primary category, mentioning primary category is not important, but over here if at all you want to write anything, then you can write something over here manually. So instead of selecting from the variables, we can write manually over here. So what I can write is mm, best mm, digital marketing blogs. Okay, I mean still it is mm, long, so I can just write digital marketing. So I mean it's okay. So now you can see over here it has turned green. So and my this site title is also over here, so it is perfect. Or else I'll see still I can see some dots over here, so it's better I remove this digital marketing, and I'll remove this separator also. So it's okay. So now still it is green, so this is what will come up when it will come up in search engine. But still we are going to modify this, so after that we can say come over here again, and we can remodify the title. So that was related to SEO title. Right now SEO title issue would have been resolved. Over here you can see SEO title with good job, so it is done, resolved. So now we were talking about meta description length. So over here we need to write our meta description, which is not mentioned. So if we do not write any meta description, then what it will do is it will take say first 160 characters from our content. So it will just take whatever is there from here, so we can use that. So yes, I mean we can manually also write something and which can interest people. So yes, I mean you can write it in your own words also, but just we need to make sure that our primary keyword is present over here. So here hidden text is there. Okay, so now what is the problem? So okay, so still it is orange, we need to make it green, so it means that it is quite little less. So but here are a few valid Google approved reasons to hide content. Okay, okay, so okay, so it is a bit more. So I need to remove something, so that let me just check how much content I need to remove. Okay, so up till here I need to remove, but here are few valid Google reasons, approved reasons. Okay, so I just need to modify it. Few valid and Google approved reasons to use hidden text. Okay, okay, I cannot use full stop because okay it is exceeding, one full stop is exceeding, so it's fine. So this is my meta description, so it has turned green. So now whenever I want to write, this is the content that will be used everywhere. It will be this is the content that will appear over here, which you can see for this website. So that is what we have mentioned, our meta description has come up. So now you can see our SEO analysis has turned green, our SEO has turned green over here, but still we have to resolve some of the issues which are there. See, one issue is there and one improvement is there, so that we will be using. So now image alt attribute, so now we have to do something for the image. So over here we have set featured image, so we do not have any featured image right now, so now we need to add an image to this. So image means that say all the articles on the website is having an image over here, so this is featured image. So if I don't add a featured image, then only text will come and this place will remain blank, so that does not look good on the website. See over here, this one over here is not having a featured image, so it does not look good properly. So I mean I should have like this. So fine, our content is on hidden text and SEO. So what I will do is I will just copy this and search in the images if I have any images related to this keyword. So hidden text and SEO, and I will go to images. Okay, so I am a text, I am a link, can you see me? Okay. Okay, over here I can see this hidden text, so I will use this. I mean, ideally, say what we should be doing is we can create our own images, we can modify the images and then use it. The same way we cannot copy content, same way we cannot copy the hidden, say I mean the any images on the from Google. So if I want to use any images, if I don't have time to create my own, then in that case what should I do? So I will just click on tools, and over here I will use say usage rights. Under usage rights I can use say commercial and other licenses, or I can use all creative common license. So creative common license is something wherein I can reuse the images. Over here there are all the images which are there, which I can use. So these are with permission. Creative common means that I am allowed to use that content, I can reuse that content, I can modify that content. So that is what it is. So over here I will just check this licensable. Over here licensable. Okay, so I mean this is all can be used over here. So yes, I mean what I can do is I just click this, and this image is something which is there, and I will just try to open this in a new tab, and yes, this image is there. So what I'll do is I can copy this. uh, okay, over here the sizes are already mentioned. Okay, free download original, or say popular sizes are mentioned over here. I want 800 by, okay, so this would be okay. So 800 by 600, because my I am using 800 by 450, so we will reduce the canvas. That's not a problem. Please log in. Okay, I don't have time to log in. So free download original. So okay, again login. So I will save this image, and now say we have over here we had learned that images should contain our primary keyword, right? So this is over here images. So now we are at the images. So what we need to do, I see over here some name is written. So what I will do is I will give a name, hidden text and SEO, but I cannot use the ampersand. I can use and hidden text and SEO. So this is the name that I have used. So I'll save it on my desktop, or say I will save it in the images itself. So training and images, so hidden text and SEO. Okay, so save. So now it is saved, and now I will add the featured image on my website. So over here, yes, set featured image, and I will upload it. But before that I just have to update the size of the image. So I'll just go to the images, and see, because all the images on the website should be common. It should look uniform. Say if I just click over here, then say whatever images are coming, see all are of same sizes. See over here you can see this size, this all images are of same sizes. That is the reason it is looking uniform over here. So throughout the website, see all the images are of equal sizes. So now if one is big and one is small, then it will take a bigger space over here, and this will be like this. So it does not look uniform. So for that reason we need to make all the images uniform. So I'll just search for our image. Okay, where is it? I'll just refresh it. And sort by date. Okay, sort by date. Where did our image go? Hidden text. Okay, so over here it is say they have given some wrong name so that people cannot copy it, and so okay, fine. So I'll just make it JPG. Yes, so now you can see it is coming up. So this is a very good method. Fine, so it's okay. So yeah, so this is the image. So first I will just open that image with Photoshop and just resize the canvas and or image, whatever is looks good. So yes, this is the image, and I'll click on image size. So it is 1200 by 750, so I want 800 by 450, and I'll say okay. So this is my image. So now I'll just click on save. So my image size is done. So I'll make it a smaller say size of the image, so that it will load faster. Okay, so it is done, and now I'll close this, and this is of the required size image. So I'll just go to properties and check over here details. So it is 800 by 450, 800 pixels and 450 pixels. Okay, so that is okay. So now it is done. So now I can use this image in my blog. So yes, I go over here, and now I can upload the file. So select the file, and I will go to the link, and then I will search for that image. Yes, we have it over here. So I'll just open it. So now it is uploading. Okay, so now when we were talking about the images over here in Google, say I had mentioned that whenever we search for any particular keyword over here, and we get all the images related to this, because we have mentioned the name of the image, and the error over here also tells us about all text images we need to add. So that is over here, all text. So this is what we need to put. So over here we should define that what is this image about. So our image is related to hidden text and SEO. So I can just mention our primary keyword, hidden text and SEO, or else I can write Google approved hidden text and SEO. So my primary keyword is also coming, and SEO is also coming, and now over here this is the title of the image, so that is coming, and then I need to add description. We should not add caption, otherwise at the bottom of the image some text will come, so that will not look good as per the theme of our website. So now the description what I can use is the description what we had used in our say meta description. So right now I can just copy this, and I can use this. So Google will get to know that okay fine, this image has this description and this image is related to this particular thing. So now we have added the description and our all text. So now Googlebot will understand the image, and it will know what this image is all about. So now I can say featured image, set featured image. So now this image has come up over here. So now let me go and check the error. Okay, so that error is also gone. So we can see over here image alt attributes, good job. So it has turned green over here. So all the issues which were in red are turned green, and now there is an improvement. Improvement is okay, I mean if we do it it's okay, if we don't do it, but say as per SEO rules we should complete everything. So it says that key phrase in title. So what does it say? Key phrase means the exact match of the focus key phrase appears in the SEO title. So exact match of focus key phrase, that means that as our focus keyword is hidden text, so hidden text, this is the exact match. So exact match is already coming about coming in our SEO title over here, but the problem is that it is not at the beginning. So it says that move it to the beginning for best results. So now what we need to do, like I said previously, that we will be renaming this title. So now I want this hidden text to come at the front. So everything you know about. Okay, so I can write over here hidden text and SEO, and over here I can write approved by Google. So now I mean this makes sense. So this is also good over here, and it is matching. So now let me just go and check that issue. SEO title width. Okay, yeah, SEO title width is too short. Use space. So I mean our issue which we were looking at, key phrase in title, exact match of the focus key phrase appears at the beginning of the SEO title. Good job. So our this issue is resolved. But now since we have changed the title, something which is related to it, that is the SEO title width, that is this is the width what we are talking about. This width is too small, so try to increase it something. So it is title is too short. Use spaces to add key phrase variations or create compelling call to action. Okay, so in that case what we can use it, I can just add a separator, and I can insert my primary category. So now it is resolved. So now my new content will be like hidden text and SEO approved by Google, and over here the category search engine optimization. So primary category is also coming, so that is what I can use. So now everything is fine, and now over here let us see that improvement, everything is gone, and now all the analysis result is green. All the issues are resolved. So now my content is 100% search engine friendly. Whatever issues were there, they were resolved. Now how did we resolve all these issues? We resolved all these issues with the help of this Yoast SEO plugin. Now just imagine that if I would have not had this Yoast SEO plugin, then this space would be blank, like say at the bottom of the screen we do not see anything. So it's like that, so this box would not appear. So then how will I get to know that what are the problems in my content over here? So for that reason we use these plugins which will make our life easier. So that is what it is over here. So this is what we saw over here, and now we have made our content search engine friendly. But now there is one more thing which is called as readability. Readability is also important, because what does it say, that say SEO is for search engines and readability is for the users who are coming onto our website. So what does that mean? That it will find some issues in the content that we are writing, and say if they find anything difficult to read or difficult to understand, then there would be various issues over here. It will display all the issues related to the content, not the type of the content that we are using, but whether the paragraph length is okay, or sentence length is okay, or transition words that we are using is okay. And see, now the problem over here, it's like say passive voice. 22.9% of the sentences contain passive voice, which is more than the recommended maximum of 10%. So now I need to use active voice. So I mean, this is, you need to go back to school and whatever we had learned, changing from passive to active and active to passive. So now I will not know that where passive is written, where active is written. So we have an icon over here for the I. So I can click on this and it will highlight the text which is passive voice, which I need to convert it to active. So here it says like this sentence is marked, then over here this sentence is marked, then this sentence is there. So I need to now I need to say convert all these sentences into active voice. So let's start. I mean, let me see if I remember my school basics. Okay, that's because the content isn't hidden from users. Okay, so I mean, I do not have any tool. I did not find any tool for converting from passive to active. So, but still, let me search again. Mm, tool to convert passive voice to active voice. See, if you want to change a passive voice sentence to active voice, find the agents in the by the phrase, or consider carefully who or what is performing the action expressed in the verb. Okay, so changing passive voice, I mean, of course, I don't think this is going to work, but still, how to change passive voice? So everybody is just providing information. I want, is there any free grammar software available? Passive to active voice checker, active voice changer. I mean, okay, fine. So let me just check it. Changing this, okay, fine. So no tools are provided over here. Okay, oh, research, contact, research. Do we have anything for it? No. I mean, so no tool is provided on this website. Over here also I don't have anything. Okay, paste, paste. Okay, wow, this is something passive and active voice checker. So just let me copy my content and see if it works. So this sentence over here, I'll paste it over here, and check your text. Okay, we have found one writing issue in your text. Grammar is okay, style, passive voice misuse, passive voice misuse. See, so but now what? So correct your errors. Get Grammarly, it is free. Okay, so I mean, we need to log in over here. So this is something related to grammar. So passive voice misuse, God knows what that is. That's because the content isn't hidden from users. It is still accessible to read. Okay, fine. So what I can do is, I can understand this sentence, so I'll just copy this, and I'll just paste it over here, and I'll try to make it active. Out of these two sentences, I'll make one sentence. It is still accessible to read. So content isn't hidden from users. So I can just write, users are able to read the content as it is not hidden. Now let me replace this content with this. So I'll paste it, and now again I'll go to the bottom, and I will need to again click on that I to check the issues, readability over here. So now let me see if that issue is resolved. This is because content isn't hidden from the users, it is still accessible to read. Oh, it is still not, but I think we had changed it. Users are able to read the content. Okay, let me see if that sentence, hope it is not repeated. Okay, it is not replaced actually. Okay, fine. I'll just again go back and re-click on it, so it will again get activated. Okay. Okay, now let me go and check whether my content is that active voice has updated. Yes, it has updated. See, now it has, because it has changed to 23.1, so it is reduced. So yes, that issue is resolved. Oh my god, still it is not done. Users are able to read the content as it is not hidden. Okay, fine, I'll update this. Users are able to read the content. Okay, so I mean, yes, this takes time. So like I said in my introduction session, that SEO takes a lot of time and effort. So yes, now from 23 it has come to 22. So yes, now I think that issue is resolved. Yes, that issue is resolved. So now what I can do is, there is a difference between hidden text and content that is hidden between the tab. Okay, so what I can do is, there is a difference between hidden text and there is a difference between hidden text and content that is hidden behind a tab. And content that is hidden behind a tab. Okay, I mean, this is quite confusing. Content that is hidden behind a tab. And hidden content behind the behind a tab. I hope this helps. Content that is hidden, and over here hidden content behind a tab. So yes, I mean, that of course makes some sense. So now let me go. Every time I make some change, I again need to reactivate it, so I can check whether it is done or not. Yes, I think it is resolved. Yes, it's gone. But here are few valid and Google approved reasons to hide content. Okay, so this is the sentence that we need to change. So but here are few valid reasons, Google approved reasons to hide the content. Google approved reasons to hide the content. We have Google approved reasons to hide. We have Google approved reasons to hide the content. Okay, so I'll just put a mark over here so we will get to know. Okay, so now you see this content is not highlighted, so it means that this has changed from passive to active. And we can again go back and check how many percent it has reduced. We 10% is allowed, so here we have 20%, so still 10% we need to remove. So I mean, yes, it's okay. So this is of course time consuming, but we have to do it so that it is okay for the users. So like this we need to go and do all the changes. So this is to get as much content as possible indexed while presenting flawless user experience to soil. Okay, so over here this is to get as much content as possible indexed while presenting a flawless user experience to the visitors. Okay. mm, we can have more content indexed to have flawless user experience to site visitors. Okay, so this I will remove, and I'll put a mark over here so we can get to know. Okay, so now that content is gone, so yes, this is turned to active. So yeah, like this, I mean, we need to work on SEO. So okay, so now it has come down to 19.2. So like this we need to do, so active to passive and passive to active. So I mean, it's still okay. And so this takes time. So now you just got the idea that how actually we do this. And over here we have subheading distribution. You are not using any subheadings, although your text is rather long. Try it and add some headings. So what does this say? That over here we are not using any headings, so we need to add some headings. So if you check out any of my content which is there, so that should be using headings. And over here also we have mentioned that we have to use headings over here. So this heading has to be used, and that should contain our primary keywords. So yes, over here we have various headings available, but we just need to make them headings. So right from the start, let us start. So okay, hidden text with the goal of manipulating Google's algorithm can be penalized. We have good reasons. Okay, so what is hidden text? So this can be our heading. So what I can do is say I cannot just make this bold and increase the font size to make it a heading. No, because Google will read the code, it will not read the front end text, it will read the back end code. So over here I have the option, this is paragraph, and now I can make it a heading. So I can make it as heading 1, heading 2, heading 3, whatever I want to use I can use. So if I use heading 2 over here, this text will become an heading. So this is what I need to do. So this is this is one. So this is the important one, so I will make it heading 1, so it is the biggest one. And then the rest of them I can make it say H2 or H3. So after every 250 words I need to have an heading. So I'm searching for another heading. Outdated and spammy way text was hidden, there were many ways to hide. Okay, so fine, no problem. Okay, this can be a second heading, don't click fraud, take away advantage. Okay, so I'll just use this as heading 3. Then why this one? So this also I can have as my heading. Over here also there is a way of clocking. Okay, hidden text penalties. Okay, so this can be used as heading 3. And okay, users are able to read the text. Okay, so it's okay. Okay, hidden content and SEO, so this can be as heading 3. And what is important, why it's important. Okay, so this I can make it as heading 3. Okay, and benefits. Okay, benefits of SEO. Okay, screenshots of Yahoo. Benefits. I can make this also. Okay, so I mean I am using few headings over here, so I think there still would be a problem over here because over here there is a long text. So first let me check what issues we have over here. Say one section of your text is longer than 300 words and not separated by any subheadings. Add. It's okay, so we need to, so that's what I said. So over here this one, I believe this one is there, and this one is there. This is more than 300 words. So how to hide content and not violate Google guidelines. Okay, Google views page. So okay, fine. So I need to create a heading in between, something related to the text. Mm, okay, so just let me check again. No, still one section is there. Okay, the user can see, then Google can see too. Hmm. Okay. See, now it's a bit mm, okay. Still one section is there which is more than 300 words. Hmm. Okay, fine. I'll just add one this. Okay, so now let me check. Still one section. See. Mm, mm, okay, it could be possibly over here. Still one section. I mean, okay, the first one. So there is ethical way to hide the text and image content. Okay. Another technique way to position and okay. Okay, now I think it should be fine. Yes, that issue is resolved. Sentence and subheading distribution, great job. Okay, fine. So now that all is there is done, and you can see readability is green. See, because most of the things which are related to the content, it is resolved, so it is done. So I mean, now this is say a problem, this is there, so I mean, of course, you can resolve this also. But even if you don't resolve, it's okay, because see, active and passive sentences people will understand. I mean, this is just for the sake of Google, that we should use active sentences which with which people will understand the language more easily. That is the reason it is said to use active sentences and not passive. So every content has some limitations that we need to do, so whether it is active sentences, passive sentences, or using the subheadings. Now you might ask that, okay, fine, why are we using subheadings in the content? I mean, why just Google wants subheadings in between? So over here also, say in all my content, it is having this. So that is because, see, like if we have headings over here, then it would be easy for people to understand that, okay, fine, this is the heading and now we are going to read something about this. Because if the content is very large like this, then, and if I tell you that what did you read in this and what were the things that you found in this content, if there was no subheadings and if it was only text, then it would have been very difficult. But now, since if the over here we have say everything, say, wherein it says that this content is related to content marketing tool, and we found that Google keyword planner is one of the tool, then we found Reddit was there, then over here trend spotter is there. So then you can remember that, okay, fine, we had uh, this content is related to the various search engine optimization tools that we can use for our content, and out of them there were few there were few available, few of tools that were, say, like Google webmasters, or say trend spotter, or so any other tools that you read over here. So that will help you to remember the content. Otherwise, just for the sake of reading, you like reading a novel, and say, I mean, the chapter ends without any heading, so that doesn't make sense, because that is a novel wherein people would be interested to know. Over there they don't need to remember anything, they just need to know the story. So I mean, the past could be forgotten, but whatever they are reading is they are going with the flow of the story, that is fine. But over here, when we are talking about content and we are talking about some improvements of our websites, at that time headings are important, so that you get to know that, okay, fine, these are the things that we need to know. So this is what it is. Okay, so okay, fine. So like this, we need to have headings, so everything has a purpose with which we can go forward. So now, say, what would be your say, I would suggest your I mean, practice for this search engine optimization. You can say, try to take some content and you can add it in your say your blog, the URL which I have given, the login space that we have given. So in that you can add few blogs, and you can say, I think I have installed Yoast SEO also. If it is not installed, you can go to plugins and install Yoast SEO. So if you want to check whether it is installed or not, what you can do is you can just simply go and say, you can click on add new post, and at the bottom you will find this section. If you find this section, then it would be there. And if it is say not there, then you need to just check that if it is installed, whether it is activated or not. That also you will go, and when you search for yoast SEO, it will tell you that it is installed, but you need to activate it. So you will just click on that button, activate, so it will get installed over here. So
So
that's it. So now,
when we
say
rewrited the whole content, so that didn't
yeah,
take care of active
yeah.
passive voice.
See, that will just rename few keywords, and it will change the sentences. It will not take, see, active passive sentence, I mean, as such there is no tools, because that is very difficult to convert any sentence, and that is of say critical thing. So as such we need to do it manually only. That we need to take care ourselves. So I mean, of course, there would be say like the various grammatical help available, with which you can check the grammatical errors. So that can be used, but say converting active to passive, we need to do it ourselves only. That rewriter tool will just modify the words and the meaning of the sentence. I mean, the words, it will replace it with some synonyms, or say similar kind of keywords. That's it. I mean, it will just make the sentences change, so nothing will remain the same. So that is the reason it will be unique content. But of course you need to check everything and make sure that everything is correct. But that content will also have grammatical mistakes that you need to take care of. So it is not just that you will just take the content and you will use it. No, I mean, that is not possible. I mean, the best thing is that if you don't want to search for any article from any website, you don't want to uh, say you want to save your time, then in that case what you can do is you can just search for article generator over here. So in this article generator you will find free. See over here, you have article generator, free unique content generator online. See over here, of course, but I think that would be paid and it not free. So here, say buy a premium key, see it is paid. So over here, say what you can use, you can put a keyword for which you want a content. So I might write that okay, I want content on search engine optimization, and search mode is public, language is English, and rewrite article. So I cannot I can use this, yes, make it unique, but for this I need to use a premium key, and if I don't have it, then I can go and purchase it and see for what, how much it is available for, say monthly. If it is for one time, then we could have purchased it, but these people want monthly, and that also 3.99 pounds. So I mean, it's say yearly it is 15 yearly, so generate unique article yearly is 15. So here it is costing, for each month it is costing for 4 pounds, and over here for 1 year it is costing 15 pounds. Okay, so I mean, that is also okay. This is featured. So here you have various options that generate unique articles, use spin tags format, then no third party links, option to download single or multiple articles, no ads, better SEO rankings. Okay, so like this, I mean, you have various options. So right now we are not using this, so we will just say no, do not make it unique. So how many articles at the most you can generate? Actually you can generate 10, but in free version you can generate only 3 of them. And then right now I'll just say that okay, fine, 3 articles. Okay, so I can click on generate article. So now it will automatically generate the articles for us, and over here you can see this is first article, why search engine results page. Okay, so over here you have the article ready with the images and everything, and which you can use in your content. Then over here this is the second article, and over here it is the third article. So like this also you can save time and you don't need to search for the articles that you want. So instead of searching and copying from other websites, you directly have this facility for article generator on any keyword, and you can use this. So this is there, and then you can say that you can download the text file, so it will get downloaded. So I'll just save it on my desktop and say generated file. Okay, fine. So I'll just say this, and now I open it and I can see this. So all the content is there, but say I can it's better to copy it properly, because say in text format it does not look properly. Over here you can see this all content is coming, so it's better you use copy from here. You can just take the content from here, you can copy the text from here for the articles that are generated. So, and then you can also save the images to a folder in your desktop, and you can then use them on the website. So this would be the best option instead of searching for articles and going through various websites and taking the content from there. You directly go to articlegenerator.org and then you just type a keyword on which you want, and you just click on generate articles. That's it, and it will be generated. So yeah, this website also I'm giving it to you, so you will get to know. Or generating articles from given keyword. So this is there. And now coming back to our topic, over here we have done our SEO and readability. Everything is green, everything is perfect. Now say what we need to, before clicking on the publish button, over here we can see readability is good, SEO is good, so that is the highest. So I mean, there is nothing more than good that we can do on this. Apart from that, say the keywords that we have used over here, that we will be learning, say in the next session, that what we have, whether what we have used is correct or not correct, or if it is not correct, then what changes should we do, that we will be learning in the next session. So just completing this right now. So readability is good, SEO is good. So this format we do not change, that is standard format. Then category we have selected over here, and if you are writing, you generated some topic and see in your website that particular category might not be available, then you can just click on this add new category and add a new category over here, so it will automatically be coming up over here. So that is category, selecting the category. And then over here the important thing is tags. So whatever are the important tags that we feel that that can be used and people will search and related to this article, that we need to enter it over here. So the first thing would be like hidden text, then SEO is there in the content multiple times. Then say what other thing that we can do is, first of all we can just copy this content, and there is one more website wherein I can just go and search for word frequency counter. So this word frequency counter will help me to know that how many times a particular word is used in this content. So I'll just copy my whole content and paste it over here, and then I'll click on submit, and over here it will tell me that each and every word how many times it is used. So in this article, the is used for 78 times, to is used for 76 times, a is used for 73 times. But I'm not interested in these words, I'm interested only in the keywords which I can use for my content. So over here you can see content is one of the very biggest keyword that can be used. So I will use content. So content is used, so I'll add content over here. Content, yeah. Then I will search for, then the next one is hidden, so I'll use this hidden also. So hidden I'll use. Then I have page is there, Google is there. So okay, so I'll copy page then Google is there. mm, yeah, then I have search. See, search is there. Then web. Then I have engines, users. So now which words to select, that is what I'm that what we have what we'll be doing in the next session, that like I said that whatever we have used is correct or not. So which keywords should I use? So of course hidden text we have used as our primary text, but in our next session we will get to know that whether hidden text is the right keyword or not, whether we should have used this or not, or what we should change. So that all things. So now I have say some of the keywords that I've used over here. So all my content, if you see all my articles over here, you will find say all the tags that I've used for this. See over here, you can see this over here, all these are used. So like this I need to add it. So right now I'm just adding this much, and then we have featured image. Everything is done. So now everything is okay, we have checked everything is fine, and now I can just go and click on publish. So now this article will get published, and it will come up on the home page of the website. So that article will be at the first position. See, it has come up at the first position, and the first one, this was at the first position, so it came over here, and say all of them came one by one at the bottom. So like this it will come up. So when we add a new text, then new blog, then this will come up over here, and the new one will come up over here. So that is what we can do. And so now if I click on this, so now we can see our blog over here, and we can see everything whatever is mentioned over here, and say now we can see those text over here, headings that we can see. So that is what we have used. So yes, I mean that's how we do SEO. So you can try to practice. Of course we will take up some more we'll take in next session also, we will add the content, we will do some keyword research, because now the second part is keyword research, because whatever content we have used or whatever keywords that we have used, whether those keywords are right or wrong. Because see, if I am using hidden text, say hidden text over here is my primary keyword, but I should first of all know that whether people are searching for hidden text on Google or not. If I know that Google people are searching on Google for this keyword hidden text, then it is okay. But if people are not searching for hidden text, then I should think over it, because if I'm using a keyword which people are not searching, then my this content will never come up in search engine. So that is what we will be doing. So next session would be on keyword research for SEO, and then we will create content. Next time I will keep a content ready which we will be doing. We will be working on SEO, but in the way wherein we can do keyword research along it. But we did not do it today, because first of all you need to understand how we actually do SEO. So today I taught you about how to do SEO by using the Yoast SEO plugin, and by going one by one all the problems and resolving them one by one. So that was SEO. In the next session we will go how to research those keywords and then add it to the content. Today we have just randomly taken that, okay fine, this content is on hidden text and SEO. So hidden text I have used it. I cannot use SEO because SEO I have already used it in some other blog initially. So I cannot say use one keyword as focus keyword in multiple blogs. I can use one keyword as focus key phrase only in one article. So for every article I need to have a different key phrase. So that is a bit difficult. So that of course we need to figure out. So it's fine. So right now today we have taken hidden text, and in next session we will get to know that whether hidden text what we have used is correct or not, or we whether we need to change it or not. So if we need to change it, then what are the things that we are going to do over here there. So that's it. So that's it for today. So if you have any questions, you can let me know, or else we can conclude for the day.
Yeah, we can conclude.
Okay, fine. Then see you
Can you
again.
check on
So
Google
we
once, like if this article is coming or no?
No, it will not come because say first of all, when we write any content, it takes approximately 24 hours for the SEO, this Google bots to come and crawl the content. So I mean, immediately it won't come up. And say we haven't done any research on keywords and everything. First of all, we need to know. Then the in coming modules we will get to know, we will learn more about the other Google tools, wherein we can exactly know that where our search engine, where our content is lying, at which page, or say at which position our content is there. So that of course we will be seeing in coming modules, so we need to wait for that. So that is something very advanced. See, like I said, that SEO we have used hidden text. First of all, we should know that whether hidden text is searched by people. If more number of people are searching for hidden text, then we should know that okay, fine, whether the competition for this keyword hidden text is say low, high, or medium. If it is low, then we have good chances of coming into search engine. If we have high competition, then we need to do a lot of research. We need to again modify our content, and we need to use it for the multiple times in the content. So right now just let me check how many times have we used the text, hidden text, which is our primary focus keyword. So I'll just check over here, control F, and over here I can see we have used it for 27 times. So and what is the length of our article? So length of our article is over here, it's 1613. So as per Google policy 1613, so okay, fine, 1613, and into 0.03, that is 3%. So I need to use it for minimum 48 times, 48.39. So I mean 48 times, 49 times I should be using. And how much time I have used? I have used only 27 times. So I mean I'm still I have under optimized this content, so still it does not have fair chances of coming up in Google. So I mean it will take ages to come, so it will take some time. So I mean, what are the things that we need to do, that we'll be seeing over there. So yeah, I mean, see over here also, this heading, this is not counted, this is not counted. So I need to count over here only. So out of 27, 2 will be deducted. So 25 we have. Do we have anywhere else? Yeah, see, 1 2 3 over here, 3 again will be deducted. So we have 22. Yeah, 22 we have, and we require 48. As per the calculation, we require 48. So yes, that is what we need to do. So that keyword usage, the other things we have just reached till headings. So now the keyword usage and research and all these things will come into picture. So that would be a little advanced, but yes, that is, we need to understand that all things. So next time, what when we add an article, that would be the perfect method of adding an article and doing SEO on our
Okay.
content.
Okay. Okay.
Fine. So see you on Wednesday evening 5 p.m.
Okay. Okay.
Goodbye, take
Thank you.
care.